You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city located in Wisconsin. The name comes from French meaning clear water, and the French pronunciation is as eau, which means water, E-A-U, Claire, Eau Claire. This is how you'd say it in French. This is why the English pronunciation is as Eau Claire, Eau Claire. How to pronounce Eau Claire pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.